Hey everyone, it's Eric, and been kind of dry here for a couple weeks. I thought the rain season started, but it seemed like it cut out as soon as I said rain season started. But last hour and a half, it's been kind of a steady rain, not really a downpour, but everything needs that rain, and it's kind of sunny out, which is typical for Florida. Full sunshine and it's raining. But I just want to give you a quick update on the rain here. It's back again, but you can see the grass is kind of burned up. It was nice and green for about a day, and 90 degrees will burn it up in like 2 minutes. So that's it. Just wanted to show you the steady rain. Hope it keeps up. We'll see. Alright, talk to you soon.